Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can create a fake cinematic background. So if this is something you love, stick around and let's get started. So go to Pinterest. Okay, go to the search bar thing and you search for office background. Search for office background. So these are the office backgrounds that came up. So pick one or as many as office background image you want and download it. So I'll just be picking this one and I'll download the image. The image have been downloaded. Then go to your InShot. Click on video. Click on the plus sign and you select the video you want to change the background to have this cinematic kind of background. So I'll be choosing a video from here. Okay, then click on that video so you can crop it out. Like, so I'm going to crop the video. So this is it. Then click on canvas. Here you will see different feeds. So this is a YouTube video. I'll be clicking on the YouTube side and mark. Okay, I'll have to zoom it. Keep scrolling, then you'll find where they wrote cut out. Click on cut out to cut out the background. Click on good. It's still cutting out, so click on background. Click on this photo side, pick the background that's the Pinterest background, office background you downloaded. Just pick one and that is it. You mark good, so I will have to draw it and zoom it so that to fit in. So let's check it out.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Welcome back to my.
So that is how you change backgrounds or have a cinematic kind of background. The first thing you need to do is make sure that whenever you're filming, film in a plain background. Don't film in a background whereby there are so many colors or there are so many things that will distract your audience or distract your viewers. So just film in a plain background, very plain background, either white, just a plain background, and then you're good to go. So that while removing the background using your InShot, it will automatically remove and be okay. There'll be no other kind of background that will be showing. So the best thing to do, or the best place to film, is in a plain background. That is it for having a cinematic background, a fake cinematic background. And you just have to click on save to save it. The resolution for this is 1080p, so this is the highest of it. Then my frame rate, that is the highest of it. And then the format mp4. So it depends on your own resolution, the highest of it, to make the video standard and still be okay, to retain the quality. So you just have to click on save and your video will save. So I won't be saving this video. So that is it for this video, and I hope this was very helpful. I would love you to try it out, and then let me see your feedback after you must have done yours. Thank you so much, and do have a lovely time. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye.